Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss SSC CHSL 2025 Tier 1 15 November Shift-1 Maths problems. They given here which number is not part of the natural numbers. Natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. So here 0 is not a natural number. 0 is the answer. In this question, they given which number is in both natural and integer sets. So, as 0 is not a natural number, this is not the answer. 5 will be natural number and also integer. So, 5 is the right answer. So, in this question, they given number of boxes equals to 200 and cost price of each box is 120 rupees. Extra expenses 1800 rupees. Let's find total CP equals to 200 into 120 plus extra expenses 1800. 200 into 120 is 24,000 plus 1800 equals to 25,800. So total CP is 24,800 rupees. Let's find total SP. Here the given 100 boxes are sold at 150 rupees. 100 into 150 equals to 15,000. There are 200 boxes, so remaining boxes are 100. Remaining boxes sold at 130 rupees. So 100 into 130 equals to 13,000. So total SP bill will be 15,000 plus 13,000, 28,000. We know profit equals to SP minus CP. Here SP is 28,000 minus CP is 25,800. So profit is 2,200. Now let's find out profit percentage. We know profit percentage equals to profit by CP into 100. So here profit is 2,200 by CP is 25,800 into 100. So we get 8.53%. This is the answer. So in this problem, the given PQR is a triangle and O is the incenter and angle QOR is given and asking to find out angle QPR. We know the incenter property. The angle subtended by any side of a triangle at the incenter is 90 degrees plus half the angle of the opposite vertex. So the formula will be angle QOR equals to 90 degrees plus angle QPR by 2. We know angle QOR is 110 equals to 90 plus angle QPR by 2. So angle QPR by 2 equals to 110 minus 90. Angle QPR r equals to 2 into 110 minus 90 is 20. So angle QPR will be 40 degrees. In this problem, they are asking to find out this. So we can write cosecant theta as secant 90 minus theta. So here cosecant 70 is secant 90 minus 70 equals to secant 20. So cosecant, here cosecant 70. Let's do squaring on both sides. We get cosecant square 70 equals to secant square 20. So also here secant theta we can write as cosecant 90 minus theta. Secant 70 we can write as cosecant 90 minus 70. So secant 70 becomes cosecant 20. Let's do squaring on both sides. Secant square 70 equals to cosecant square 20. So tan square 20 by, we got cosecant square 70 is secant square 20. Secant square 20 plus cot square 20 by, we got secant square 70 is cosecant square 20. Cosecant square 20. We know secant theta is 1 by cos theta and cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Now we can write tan square 20 into 1 by secant square 20 is cos square 20 plus cot square 20 into 1 by cosecant square 20 is sin square 20. Tan we can write as sin square 20 by cos square 20 plus cot we can write as cos square 20 by sin square 20 into sin square 20, here cos square 20. So cos square 20 cancel, sin square 20 get cancelled. We got sin square 20 plus cos square 20. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this value will be 1. We can write tan theta as cot 90 minus theta. So we can write tan 15 as cot 90 minus 15. So tan 15 becomes cot 75. So here 1 plus 2, tan 15 we can write as cot 75 into tan 45 is 1 and tan 75. 1 plus 2 into cot we can write as 1 by tan 75 into tan 75. Tan 75 gets cancelled. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So option B is the right answer. In this question, they given this and asking to find out sin 2q plus cos 2q. So 2 sin q into, we know that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So cos 90 minus q is sin q. equals to 1 by 2. 2 sine square q equals to 1 by 2. Sine square q equals to 1 by 4. So, sine q equals to root 1 by 4 becomes 1 by 2. Sine q equals to 1 by 2. Q becomes 30 degrees. Q equals to 30 degrees. Let's find out sine 2q plus cos 2q. Sine 2 into 30 plus cos 2 into 30. Sine 60 plus cos 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2. LCM becomes 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 is the answer. Option C is the right answer. So, in this problem, the given amount after 4 years is 9,504 and amount after 9 years is 12,384. Now, extra time will be 9 minus 4, 5 years. And extra amount will be 12,384 minus 9,504. We get 2,880. This is the interest for 5 years. Let's find out interest per year. 2,880 by 5. 576. This is simple interest. Let's find out the interest for 4 years. Interest for 4 years equals to 576 into 4. We get 2,304. So let's find out P, principal. We know amount equals to principal plus interest. Here the given amount is 9,504 equals to P plus interest for 4 years is 2,304. So principal amount will be 7,200. Let's calculate rate. Simple interest equals to PTR by 100. Here T is 1 year. We got simple interest 576 equals to principal amount is 7,200 into 1 into R by 100. So if we solve this, we get R equals to 8%. So in this question, the amount A after 8 years is 240% of P. So amount A becomes 2.4 P. Now simple interest formula is amount minus principal. Amount is 2.4 P minus P. So simple interest is 1.4 P. We know simple interest formula PTR by 100. Simple interest is 1.4 P equals to P into T is 8 years and R we don't know by 100. Here PP gets cancelled. We get R equals to 140 by 8, 17.5%. Now let's calculate simple interest for new investment. So simple interest equals to PTR by 100. Let's calculate simple interest earned when 3000 is invested at the same rate for 3 years. So T will become 3 and R we already know 17.5%. So simple interest equals to principal amount is 3000 into 17.5 into 3 by 100. So we get 1575. Option D is the answer. So in this question, let the total amount Rohit had be T. Then the amount A is 70% of T. So amount A becomes 0.7T. This amount is distributed among Priya and Meena in 5:9 ratio. So the total ratio parts will be 5 plus 9 equals to 14. Now Priya's share will be P equals to 0.70 total amount into Priya's share 5 by 14. So we get 0.25 T. Let's find Meena's share. Let's think it as M 0.7T into 9 by 14. So we get the 0.45T. Now let's calculate simple interest for Priya and Meena. We know simple interest equals to PTR by 100. The time given is 4 years. Here T will be 4 years. So simple interest for Priya is 0.25T into T is 4 and rate is 6, which is given in the question, by 100. We get 0.06T and simple interest for Meena is 0.45T into 10 as given in the question. T is 4 years by 100. We get 0.18T. Here they given the difference of the interest earned by Meena and Priya is 2304. So let's do simple interest of Meena minus simple interest of Priya equals to 2304. Simple interest of Meena is 0.18T minus simple interest of Priya is 0.06T equals to 2304. 0.12T equals to 2304. We get T equals to 19,200. Option D is the answer. So in this question, the given a stick of length 48 centimeters is at an inclination of 60 degrees to the wall with its bottom touching the floor of the wall. So the diagram will be, this is the wall, this is the floor, and the stick is this. Angle of inclination is this to the wall and the floor. The given this is 60 degrees. Now find the length from the floor to the point where the stick touches the wall. So they are asking to find out height of the wall, and the given stick length is 48 centimeters. So this length becomes 48 centimeters. We can use sine 60 so that we can find h, opposite h by hypotenuse 48. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 equals to h by 48. Root 3 by 2 into 48 equals to height. 1s are 2, 2s are 2, 4s are. So 24 root 3 is the answer. Option A is the answer. So in this question also, a 16 meters long rope is stretched from the ground to the top of a house. So this is the house and this is the ground and this is the rope, which is 16 meters of a house such that the rope makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. So rope makes angle with the floor is 30 degrees. This is the angle. Now they are asking to find out the height of the house. Let's think this as h. So here also use sine 30 equals to opposite side is h by hypotenuse is 16. We know sine 30 is 1 by 2 into 16 equals to h. 1s are 2 8s are. So height of the house is 8 meters. Option A. So in this question, they given one pipe can fill the tank with water in 14 hours. So the filling pipe's rate is 1 by 14. And other pipe can empty the tank in 8 hours. The emptying pipe's rate is minus 1 by 8. As it is emptying, we should take minus. So let's find the net emptying rate. 1 by 14 plus minus 1 by 8. We get 7 minus 4 by 56. So 3 by 56. This is the net emptying rate. They given the 1 by 4th of the tank is already filled with water and they are asking to find out how many hours. So they are asking to find out time. We know time equals to amount to be emptied by net emptying rate. Amount to be emptied is 1 by 4. As it is given 1 by 4 already filled, so 1 by 4 should be emptied by net emptying rate is 3 by 56. 1 by 4 into 56 by 3. 56 by 12. 14 by 3 hours. We got 14 by 3 hours. If we turn this to mixed fraction, we get 4 2 by 3 hours. In the options, the given minutes. So let's convert hours and minutes. Let's convert this hours to hours and minutes. Time equals to 4 hours plus 2 by 3 into 60 minutes. 3 ones are 3 twos are 4 hours plus 40 minutes. So option 4 is the right answer. So in this question, the given 4 women and 6 girls can complete a piece of work in 12 days. We can write 4W plus 6G. Let's think W as women and girls as G equals to 1 by 12. And 24W plus 46G equals to 1 by 2. So they are asking to find out 15W plus 20G. So let's solve these two equations. Let's multiply this with 6. We get 24W plus 6 6 are 36G equals to 6 1s are 6 2s are 1 by 2. And 24W plus 46G equals to 1 by 2. Minus minus minus. 24W minus 24W is 0. Plus 36 minus 46G is minus 10G equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 0. So G will be 0. Let's substitute G is 0. G equals to 0 in equation 1. This is equation 1. 4W plus 6 into 0 equals to 1 by 12. 4W equals to 1 by 12. So W will be 1 by 48. They are asking 15W plus 20G. 15 into 1 by 48 plus 20 into 0. So 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 8. We got 5 by 16. When this convert into days means we get 16 by 5 days. Let's convert this to mixed fraction. We get 3 1 by 5. That means 3 days and 1 by 5 days. We can convert this into hours. 1 by 5 into 24. In a day we have 24 hours. So 1 by 5 into 24. Again 3 days. 24 by 5 convert to mixed fraction. We get 4 by 5. This is hours. 4 by 5 hours. 3 days and 4 hours. 4 by 5 hours. Let's convert to minutes. 5 ones are 5 12s are. So the answer is 3 days, 4 hours and 48 minutes. Option 4 is the answer. So in this question, they given two vertical poles stand on the ground and they given one smaller pole and one taller pole. So let's think this is the ground and this is the smaller pole and this is the taller pole. They are 50 meters apart. So the distance is 50 meters. The height of the smaller pole is 10 meters. This height is 10 meters from the top of the smaller pole. The angle of elevation of the top of the taller pole is 30 degrees. This will be the angle of elevation, 30 degrees. So that this becomes 10 meters. Let us think this as y. And they are asking to find out height of the taller pole. They are asking to find out y plus 10 equals to question mark. To find y, let's take tan theta. Here tan 30 equals to opposite is y by adjacent is this is also 50. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equals to y by 50. So we got y equals to 50 by root 3. This becomes 28.86. So they are asking to find out y plus 10. 28.86 plus 10. 38.86 meters. So in the options, second is the right answer. The given a chord of length 8 centimeters is 3 centimeters from the center. So let's draw a circle and let us think this is the center O, and let us think this is a chord. They said a chord of length 8 centimeters. Its length is 8 centimeters, is 3 centimeters from the center. So this chord is 3 centimeters from the center. This will be 3 centimeters. Find the radius. So to find the radius, let's draw a hypotenuse here. This becomes 90 degrees, and here the length will be, this is 4 centimeters and this will be 4 centimeters. It is a right angle triangle. 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters. This is radius. We know for a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square, here hypotenuse is r square, equals to 4 square plus 3 square. R equals to root 16 plus 9. Root 25 is 5 centimeters. So option 1 is the right answer. So number of curves that can be drawn through a point on a circle. Let's draw a circle. Let us think this is point P. From this point we can draw infinite number of curves. So answer is infinity. In this problem, the given length and breadth of a rectangle are in the ratio 14:11. So let us think length is 14x and breadth is 11x. The perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B equals to 150. So 150 equals to 2 into 14x plus 11x. 150 equals to 2 into 25x. 150 equals to 50x. So x will be 3 centimeters. Length is 14 into 3 is 42 centimeters. And breadth equals to 11 into 3 is 33 centimeters. Here the given area of rectangle is equal to the area of top surface of a solid cylinder. We know area of rectangle is length into breadth. We know length and breadth 42 and 33. 42 into 33. So area of rectangle is 1386 centimeters square. In the question, the given area of rectangle is equal to the area of top surface of the solid cylinder. So area of rectangle equals to area of top surface of a cylinder. Area of top surface of a cylinder is pi r square equals to 1386. Pi is 22 by 7 into r square equals to 1386. So r square equals to 1386 into 7 by 22. R equals to root 41. Root 441. Root 441 is 21 centimeters. In the question, they also given that Radius is 105% of its height. So they are asking to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. Radius is 105% of height of a cylinder. So 105% we can write as 1.05 h. Radius we got 21. 21 equals to 1.05 h. So h is 20 centimeters. In the question they are asking to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. We know a formula. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 21 and h is 20. 7 ones are 7 threes are 44 into 60 is 2640 centimeter square. So this is the right answer. So in this problem, let's solve this. Root 12 plus root 27 by 3. Root 12 we can write as 3 fours are. Plus root 27 we can write as 9 threes are by 3. Sorry, root 3. Root 4 is 2. 2 root 3 plus root 9 is 3. 3 root 3 by root 3. Let's take root 3 as common. We get 2 plus 3 by root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled. The answer is 5. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Here a is 5 and b is 2 root 6. So 5 square minus 2 root 6 square. 5 5 is 25 minus 2 to the 4 into 6. 25 minus 6 4 is 24. So answer is 1. So let's find the value of this. Let's think this as x. X equals to root 9 plus 4 root 5 plus root 9 minus 4 root 5. Let's do squaring on both sides. X square equals to root 9 plus 4 root 5 plus root 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square. X square equals to, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2a into b. X square equals to, here square root gets cancelled, 9 plus 4 root 5 plus, here also square root gets cancelled, 9 minus 4 root 5 plus 2 into, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, root 9 square minus 4 root 5 whole square. So x square equals to 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5 is 0 plus 2 root 9 nines are 81 minus 4 root 5 whole square is 4 is 16 into 5. X square equals to 18 plus 2 root 81 minus 16 into 5 is 80. X square equals to 18 plus 2 root 81 minus 80 is 1. X square equals to 18 plus 2. x square equals to 20, x equals to root 20. Root 20 we can write as root 4 into 5. So x is 2 root 5. So let's rationalize this. 1 by root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2 by, it is root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2 by, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Root 3 minus root 2 by square root get cancelled. Square root get cancelled. 3 minus 2. So answer is root 3 minus root 2. This is the answer. Let's simplify this. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2 into 2 root 3 into root 2. 2 to the 4 into root 3 in square is 3 plus here square root gets cancelled. We get 2 plus 2 to the 4. Root 3 into root 2 is root 6. 4 3 is 12 plus 2 plus 4 root 6. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 root 6. This is the answer. In this problem, it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is root 3 plus root 5 and b is root 3 minus root 5. We know a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square. So root 3 plus root 5 plus root 3 minus root 5 whole square. Here root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. Root 5 minus root 5 is 0 whole square. 2 to the 4 into root 3 square is 3. So 4 3 is 12. 12 is the answer. In this question, they given average weight of 30 students is 60 kg and teacher's weight is included. When teacher's weight is included, the average becomes 61 kg. Then what is the weight of the teacher? Let's think xt is the weight of the teacher. So let's think x1, x2 and x3 and so on up to x30 are the weights of 30 students. So if the average weight of 30 students becomes x1 plus x2 plus so on plus x30 by 30 equals to 60 kg. So x1 plus so on plus x30 becomes 60 into 30. This is 1800 when the teacher's weight is included. So the average becomes 61 kg. So x1 plus x2 plus so on up to x30 plus xt by this becomes 31. 31 equals to the given 61 kg. So x1 plus x2 plus so on plus x30 plus xt equals to 61 into 31. This value we know, that is 1800. 1800 plus xt equals to 61 into 31 is 1891. So xt becomes 1891 minus 1800 is 91. Answer is 91 kg. So in this question, the given PT is a tangent at point C on a circle with center O. So let's draw a circle and the center is O. AB is a diameter when BA is produced. So this is PT. This is the point where it meets. PT is the tangent. So this is T and at point C on a circle. So this is C. Angle BPC is 34 degrees. BPC is 34 degrees. Also draw a line for AC and BC as the angle subtended by diameter on any point on the circumference of a circle is 90 degrees. So this angle becomes 90 degrees. Here angle ACB equals to 90 degrees. Now angle BCP equals to angle BCA plus angle ACP. Angle BCP equals to, they are asking to find out angle ACP. So let's think this as theta. So angle BCA is 90 degrees plus angle ACP is theta. As per the alternate segment theorem, angle PBC equals to angle ACP equals to theta. In triangle PCB, angle CPB plus angle BCP plus angle CBP equals to 180 degrees as it is a triangle. The sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle CPB is 34 degrees plus angle BCP is 90 plus theta plus angle CBP is theta equals to 180 degrees. 34 plus 90 is 124 plus 2 theta equals to 180. So theta is 28. So we got angle ACP equals to theta equals to 28 degrees.